Welcome to another video, and today I have a Compaq. It's pretty old, it's very old. It's a Compaq CQ58. Yeah, a lot has been happening on this. There is no screws over there for the LCD, and as far as the bottom is concerned, there is no missing screw, but there's been a lot of gluing over there. As you can see, some glue has been put there, all that area, it's been glued. Anyways, let's see what's going on with this one. I don't really remember what I took it for, but I just received this one today. Let's take a look at the problems on this one. There's the charger, so it's flashing the charging light there. That's point number one. And flashing the power light. Let's power it on. Okay, we have a display. Okay, it says the system has detected that the cooling fan is not operating correctly. Yes, now I remember. So it's going to shut down after 15 seconds, blah blah blah. That's the problem with this one. The cooling fan is not working. So I think there's a shortcut with this. It's just opening the laptop now. And that's the next stage. We are going to do that now. Okay. Okay, so just the point, it's not wise to pull it from over here. It's not a wise idea at all. Usually it tends to loosen up the... Okay, I just want to change the location of the camera. Okay, so I was saying it's not wise to pull it out from over here. Reason being, it tends to snap and it comes out. I think this one actually has been held by glue now. Yeah, it's been replaced with glue, so most likely they broke it. The most wisest thing is to check out the screw and then just push it out, like it goes out. Okay, so that was besides the point. Now let's...
I will make my mother proud. There will be no mistakes on my second time around, second time around. I don't think I can make it to heaven. Believe me, I will try. I will not waste a day I am given. Like years I let go by, been at war with myself, making my friends the enemy. I laid all of them down, and I've been living in hell, a prison of my identity. There's nothing left of me now. I'm asking life for another chance before they put me in the ground. Lord, I swear I will do my best on my second time around. I will live nothing like my past. truths and lies now, but I swear this is the last. And I'm scared to look you in your eyes now, but I've moments left don't last. I've let down everyone that I call mine. God, I know I don't deserve it, but I need more time. When I'm asking life for another chance before they put me in the ground, Lord,
Alright, so here we are, and it's really dusty. It's embarrassingly dusty. I'm just gonna record and show you what's in there in terms of dust. Okay, so as you can see over there, it's just dust all over. This is just dusty. I don't know where the owner was using this laptop, but it's really dusty. So what tends to happen is that once the airflow is blocked and air cannot come out through them, the fan is forced to spin even faster because there is now hot air circulating within the laptop. When it spins faster, it eventually just gets fatigued and gets damaged and doesn't work anymore. So yeah, let's see if we can fix this. So I'm just gonna brush out some dust. I think that's the first thing I can do. Okay, I cleaned this place, but I don't remember grabbing my toothbrush. Where is that guy?
We had the songs and we sang along to. You had the moves to make me dance with you. I always saw you reaching and catching stars. We had the thing that everyone wanted, hung on your sleeve, you wore your heart on it. Did you get out? I'm wondering where you are. We had the songs that we sang along to. You had the moves to make me dance with you. I always saw you reaching and catching stars. We had the thing that everyone wanted, hung on your sleeve, you wore your heart on it. Did you get out? I'm wondering where you are. I remember you and me back when we were 17, drinking, kissing in the street. We couldn't get enough. We had the songs that we sang along to. You had the moves to make me dance with you. I always saw you reaching and catching stars. We had the thing that everyone wanted, hung on your sleeve, you wore your heart on it. Did you get out? I'm wondering where you are.
Can't find the toothbrush. I don't know where it is, but wherever it is, I put it so that I don't lose it. And that it's just lost it. So I'm gonna use this one now. So to avoid using in all that dust, I'm just gonna be using my fan to blow away the dust.
woke up this morning, light poured in. You're with me, I thought I'd be better off alone. Now my soul that's been torn and reborn started breathing. What have I done? What have I done? I never thought I needed saving. I was right where I should be. Good God, I know it's dangerous, but it's you that I need. I'm in love this time. I'm in love this time. What have I done? What have I done? So don't you fall back asleep for this moment. Just be. I wanna get it right for once. Oh, I've been knocked out.
Now we're gonna deal with the fan. Let's find out what's really wrong with this fan. So the problem with this HP, not only this HP, even the Lenovo, I think the T series, yeah, not the T series actually. Their problem is that even if you put a working fan, as long as it's not the HP fan, you will have trouble with it. Because what happens is that before it goes on to booting, it has to detect the fan first. So if it doesn't detect the fan, it's not going to work. It's just not going to boot into Windows. See, I'm trying to spin this thing with the power supply switched off.
Hold me while you wait. I wish that I was good enough. If only I could wake you up.
There is no hope.
Won't you stay away? Tell me more. Tell me something I don't know. We come close to harmony on. If you're gonna waste my time, let's waste it right. Hold me while you wait. I wish that I was good enough. If only I could wake you up. My love, my love, my love, my love. Won't you stay away?
I think that's too low.
I wish you cared a little more.
It's a little bit high. Okay. So now I'm just gonna try to spin this fan.
Is it true? My faith is shaking, but I still believe. This is you, this is me, this is all we need. So won't you stay?
Okay, so the fan doesn't spin. Even with the DC power supply, this fan is gone. So we basically have a dead fan. So now we have to take this whole thing out. Okay, so the most conventional solution is to take out the fan and replace with a different fan. Okay, so like I was saying, the best solution for this is to take it out and replace with a different fan, but that's if you have it. So like in my case, I don't have it. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. That's a layer of dust, all of that, all of that. So there is no way on earth this laptop was cooling down. So I did explain in a video recently. See that? There's a chunk of dust. Anyways, as I was explaining in the other video, what happens is that without cooling, if it's a laptop which doesn't even have a fan, it will die. The CPU will just go, it will just go bad, because it will be basically burning itself up, it will be cooking its own CPU. And then if it's a laptop with a fan, what happens is that it forces the fan to spin at maximum speed. So once the fan is damaged and it's a laptop which doesn't detect the fan, then the CPU is next. So the advantage with this HP is that without the fan it doesn't boot, it doesn't work. So at least this one was protected by that feature. No, I don't have that fan. Where is the toothbrush I was looking for? Okay, let me check if I have this fan. I think I have a lot of ESA fans now. This is now too old. I don't think I have it.
Just let me hold you. Put your head on my shoulder. The warmth of my touch, the cool of the water. Put your head on my shoulder. The warmth of my touch, the cool of the water. Just let me hold you. I'll run my fingers through your hair. Let our ghosts loose.
Okay, so I don't have this fan, but I have one from a Toshiba, one old Toshiba as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out this fan from the Toshiba, then I'm going to fit it there and align it. Once that is done, then I can then deal with wiring. This one is good. I'm now starting to gather up some dust. So I'm just noticing something funny. I have a laptop like this. It doesn't have a motherboard in it, but I have the laptop like that. Okay, so here is how we're gonna do this. We need this guy. We need this frame. Because without it, it's a pointless frame. This tends to guide the airflow to a centralized point. Let me see what I can do. So I'm gonna first modify the fan, then I'm gonna come back and just explain to you, because if I try to record this, okay. So yeah, as you can see, I'm done now. The laptop is on and the fan is spinning. I think I should have just recorded while I was modifying the fan because it didn't really take a lot of time. So there, the laptop is in the system now. So I'm going to highlight, I'm going to show you what I did now. So let me just unplug everything and show you guys what happened while I was off. Okay, so this is what I did. It doesn't look like a replaced fan. It doesn't even look like it's from a Toshiba, but anyways, here we are. So what happened is that since the fan wasn't going to fit, I simply took it from its own case. So the fan was originally there, that's the Toshiba fan. So I took it out precisely, keeping it as a complete fan. Unlike this one, even the rotors, they were still up, they were still there. So it was still a complete fan, just without the frame to hold it at the back there. Then I just took it and stuck it onto that one, onto the heat sink. That way I didn't get to lose the shape of the fan, I didn't get to lose the sides, which help to channel the air in one direction. So yeah, that's it. I just stuck it in there and the fan looks as if it was originally there. So as you can see there, that's glue, and you know it's my favorite. It's bond glue gel. Yeah. Anyways, then I connected the cables. So black on black, red on red, and yellow on yellow. Previously though, on another laptop which was like this, or it's Compaq as well. I think it was a CQ58 something I think, yeah. The black though was negative was on glue. So that's what I did. First I actually connected to the glue cable and it didn't work. Then I later connected it to black. After I'd done some short checking which one was ground using the ground plate and the multimeter. So yeah, that's just what I did. So one can simply do that as well, I think. But now I really think I was supposed to show you while I modified it, and at least you get to know how to do it later on. So yeah, I'm just gonna assemble the laptop now because it's done and working.
Turn around, put it down and see that this is really the place to be. I'm not you nor you me, but we're both moving steady. When did we grow apart? When did you take back your heart? We found love in the dark, but we were flying different paths, yeah. Riding shotgun in the car, driving nowhere, counting stars. The smell of your perfume follows me wherever I go. So why do we need to be strangers again, when we used to be lovers and friends? If we start over before I love again, maybe we'll try again, pretend we never met, like we're strangers
Why don't I have a display now? Lose connection out. Okay, I'm gonna check the okay, now I don't have a display. I think I have a loose connection in there. That's going to be painful. Because there's no shortcut with this. I have to reopen the whole thing.
I still care when you need. Lay by me, if you're here. You can still lay by me. There's nothing more to hear you knocking at my door. 'Cause if I could see your face once more, I could die a happy man, I'm sure. When you said your last goodbye, I died a little bit inside. I lay in tears in bed all night, alone without you by my side. But if you loved me, why'd you leave me? Take my body, take my body. All I want is, and all I need is to find somebody. I'll find somebody like you.
I have no idea how, but the LCD cable is down there. I don't know how it remains down there. Of all things I could have done,
you ever got the best of me. My fire is starved of oxygen. A flicker in the howling wind.
Okay, here we are. Here we are. Finally.
I fight fire with the snow. My hell is cold.
Okay, there we go. So now we have a working laptop and we are done. So there, that's it. So one can modify a fan, but as you can see, with the amount of time I've spent trying to fix this laptop, it could have been used on something else. If I just did the proper fan, I would have simply just replaced it, and I would have been it. It would be fine. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. I'll see you in another video. Yeah.